Karmani,
Karmani,
Dase,
Dase,
Va Pape,
Vapape,
Senanya.
Senanya.
If malefics are in the 3rd and 6th houses, instead, the native joins the armed forces. Which armed forces? If Saturn is in these houses, you join the Asura army. If Mars, then you join the Deva army. Okay? So you can see on which side you are of the army based on Saturn or Mars.
And the nodes count in the same way?
Yes, they also do. Yes.
Who decide who is Sura, who is Asura?
Asura is
Rahu Shani are Asura and Ketu Mangala are
He's asking a different question. Who decides if US is Asura, or who decides if Lebanon is Asura?
That.
Look at the chart and you will know. Don't decide based on the history. Just look at the chart first. Okay? And you will know. Oh my God, what a question. Now, malefics in 3rd or 6th houses show valor as the ability of the native, which gives employment in armed forces, paramilitary forces, police, etc.
Counting from Aruda
This really works from Aruda Lagna, yes.
only.
Yes. Stanzas 1-335 and 1-336 are examples of the previous stanzas where benefics in 2nd, 4th, 5th, 8th, 9th, and 9th, and malefics in 3rd and 6th houses give Raja Yoga. Now, herein, you should keep in mind that the sun is the only one among these fellows, because he's also malefic, who will not be corrupted. The other malefics are corruptible. Okay? It's easy to access them and get them to do what you want. Herein, you must also keep in mind that grahas join the Aruda Lagna can decide whether the means of the 3rd and 6th they're from are acceptable or not. Okay? For example, in Shri Krishna's chart, Aruda Lagna is in which sign?
Virgo.
In Virgo.
Virgo.
So, any malefics in 3rd or 6th from Virgo?
Shani.
Shani, hello. Asura army, right?
Yes.
But what's in Aruda Lagna?
Guru and Buddha.
Do you think Guru will accept that Shani over there?
No.
So Shani cannot manifest negatively. He cannot fight for the wrong army. Right? You could further infer that this Saturn Ketu Parivartana changed a few things, right? As a result of which, this Saturn is not the Asura army. So also you must consider, number 1, is there Parivartana? Number 2, which planets are on the Aruda? That will decide whether this is acceptable or not.
So it had to be a malefic honor or lagna to accept that, yeah?
There has to be an Asura here to accept it.
So it could also be Mercury, for instance.
For example, this Mercury here, yes? There's a battle between Jupiter and Mercury here. In fact, the situation was that the battle really was occurring between two families, which are part of the same family. In fact, Krishna would have been considered and somebody who was a general for the other army, the Kauravas. He would have been considered a general for their army. But because the two families split, he joined the other army, which he supported, the Pandavas. Yes. So this is the issue between the Kauravas and Pandavas over here, Jupiter and Mercury. Who should he choose for the Aruda? Jupiter will support the Pandavas. Mercury, Kauravas. Asuras and Suras. When Jupiter becomes strong and defeats Mercury in planetary war, then this is not supported.
And that's where he took his whole family to the beach and exterminated.
That's what happens after that, yes. He didn't exterminate.
Okay, he didn't exterminate them, but he did not help them as well, did he?
Alright. Any questions? This is the last slide.
Oh.
Then we can do japa now.